guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how to get the super easy bridesmaid makeup look. You can also do this makeup for any function or any event, so if you are interested, keep watching. Start by prepping my skin. I'm using the Simple's vitamin C moisturizer. This is a gel based moisturizer and it is super lightweight, perfect to use when you are about to put your makeup on. It glides on super easily, and once it's fully absorbed, it feels so soft and smooth. This step is just going to be beneficial to your skin as well as help the makeup glide on beautifully. So yeah, do not skip this step. Now that my face is well moisturized, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline's primer. I literally never skip this step. I feel like primers make the entire process of applying makeup a lot easy, and it leaves your skin like a smooth canvas. So yeah, do not skip this step, especially if you have large pores. This is just going to help you shrink that and make it look a lot more blurry. So it's a win-win. So just do not skip a primer. So for my foundation, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation along with the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. I feel like these two work really well together on my skin, so I'm going to blend them together and apply it all over. So I like to take like one pump of this along with just a pea-sized amount of this one. You really do not want to go overboard with this because this is like really strong, if I could say that. It's really it's a word, I don't remember the word, but yeah, it is super pigmented. That's what I meant to say. So you really need a really tiny amount. I'm just taking this much and nothing more, and I'm just going to like blend that all together and apply it evenly all over my face. Now that I have it all over my face, I'm going to blend this using my beauty blender that's damp. You do not want to go in with a dry beauty blender, so make sure your beauty blender is damp. Foundation is a little bright for my skin, but there's nothing that a concealer cannot fix, so let's wait for concealing. So once my foundation is all set, I like to go in and use these concealers. I like to use these to conceal my under eye area and any blemishes. Over the eyelid as well. So this is a brighter concealer, and then I like to even that out using this one. Just like to go in the center. Using my beauty blender again, and I'm just going to dab this. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of contouring. I'm using this contour stick, and I'm going to be using this angled brush to pick up some product and apply it around my cheekbone. Just picking up some product, making sure it isn't too much because you really do not want a lot of this. Again, this one is super creamy and super pigmented. So I like to just swipe this across. I do not like to go below my cheekbone area. I like to go on it and above it. I do not like to go below this area. I do not like the look, so I don't do that. So I just take some and swipe through upwards. This just gives you that really precise contour, and I love it. I'm also going to contour my nose. So I'm using this small brush to contour my nose, and again I'm using the dabbing process so that I do not actually go overboard on my nose area. So I'm just using this brush to slide it downwards and blend it. I'm also going to take some and apply it right here. Just going to grab my beauty blender and kind of blend my nose contour out, just making sure it's all blended in pretty well and there are no harsh lines. I'm going to set everything in place using the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Powder. It is perfect if you're looking for a good loose powder. You can definitely try this one out. And I'm using this triangle powder puff to pick up the product and apply it all over. It picks up so well. It has this pointed tip that just makes it so easy to apply loose powder under the eyes and the corners of your nose. So I would highly recommend you guys to try this one out and see it out for yourselves because it is just amazing. Just some on my forehead as well. So when it comes to the nose, I just like to apply it in here and on the bridge of my nose, and of course on the sides. To set my contour, I'm using this one from Sugar Cosmetics. This is in the shade 02 Woody Wonder, and I'm just going to be using the same angled brush that we used before, and I'm going to pick up some product and I'm going to apply this all over the areas that we just contoured before. On my forehead as well. I'm going to take the same brush I used for my nose contour. Tap, tap, tap. So now that we have the contour on, I'm going to take my blush. This is from K Beauty. It is in the shade Dusty Rose. So I'm going to take my brush, dab, dust it off, and lightly blend this over my cheek, my nose, and my chin area. So for my eyeshadow, I'm using this palette, and I'm going in with this shade right here. And I'm going to buff this above my crease area, like above my eyelid, and make sure it isn't harsh. Like I want it really, really buffed out and really, really light. So once I have that on, I'm going in with a little deeper pink shade, like a dusty pink shade, and I'm going to buff this again on the same area that we just worked on. So now that we have it on, I'm going to be taking a little darker brown shade. I'm dusting a little bit towards the outer corners, lightly buffing it, and I'm using, like I'm not actually using a lot of force with this brush. I'm just gently buffing it. I'm also going to be using the same brown shade and apply this over my lower lash line area. Then I'm going in with my concealer again, and I'm just going to apply a little bit in the inner corners. I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. Using this brush to gently blend it through. Just going to put a little bit more and dab it right outwards. So now I'm going to go and set the concealer using the loose powder. Now that's all set, I'm going to go in and add in some shimmer. This is the shimmer that I'm going to be using. This is the Star Bomb eyeshadow from Charmacy. So before I go in with that, I'm going to be adding this pink shade right here all over my crease. I really enjoy this palette from Mars. I really honestly did not expect the quality to be really good, but I am really enjoying all of their shades. I mean, they're so pigmented and they work really nicely, and the fact that you get this for such a reasonable price is just outstanding. So this eye is done, and I'm going to do the same on the other eye as well. That we have it all on, I'm going to be adding the shimmer. I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers because I think this works much better. I'm going to use an eyeliner now. While applying it inside, you want to make sure it's really thin. I'm going in with this eye pencil. This is in the shade Coconut, and I'm going to apply this not on my waterline area but just below my waterline. So I'm just going to draw a really small line here, just like that. I'm going to quickly fix my eyebrows using this pencil from Etude House. Before I jump into a mascara, I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm using this mascara. I really like and enjoy this mascara. Now that we have the mascara on, it is totally up to you if you want to go in for lashes or if you do not prefer lashes. I personally do not prefer lashes. I feel like I really like the more natural look, but if you're attending a wedding or a function and you are the bridesmaid, personally I would prefer wearing lashes for such occasions. So since today's video is all about bridesmaid makeup look, I will be wearing some lashes on, and I will be using the Pisces eyelash. So these ones cover my entire eyeline, but for today's video I will be cutting this a little and I will be focusing more on the outer corners of my eyes. So I'm going to be doing that and I'll be back. I'm also going to be applying the same mascara on my lower lash line. For my lips, I'm going in with this lip liner and I'm just going to outline my lip. And then I'm going to follow up with this lipstick. From Lakme. I've really enjoyed this color, and it just looks really pretty. I'm going to add in this pop of color right in the center of my lip. I'm going to finish off with a highlighter. I'm using this one from Wet n Wild. I'm just going to take some on my finger and I'm just going to apply that on the tip of my nose, on the bridge as well, and just kind of blend that in. Some over my cheekbone, a little bit on my forehead as well, the chin. Quickly going to go ahead and do my hair and be back. And this is the finished bridesmaid makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed and found this video to be helpful. I'm so thankful and so happy for each one of you. So I'm having a giveaway in today's video. The rules are pretty simple. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below letting me know why you love applying makeup, and also your username. Your username is really important so that I can find you. And yeah, pretty much that is it. It's pretty simple. Also, there will be 2 lucky winners. So yeah, all the best. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, do like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.